Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can send one email to multiple email on your Gmail account. So for that, just simply open your Gmail app on your mobile phone and just simply click on compose to write email to that person's more than one person. So in here in two section, write email of that person where you want to send email. So when I will write this email, here you can see I have written the first email. Now in order to send to more than one people, you can see at the end of the email you can see there are small arrow. Just click on this small arrow, and now there are two more options, CC and BCC. Now in CC you can write second email, and in BCC you can write third email. Let's suppose I write the second email. Now here is the second email, but it's asking please insert a valid email. So you will insert some valid email in this position option, and in BCC again you can add your third email and just write your subject and compose your email and just simply click on send button, and your email will be sent to these three people, more than one email address.